Hello, everyone. I'm Sofia, and today I'm going to share my daily routine with you. I will speak clearly so you can easily understand me and learn useful words and phrases for everyday life. This is a great way to practice your English listening and speaking. Are you ready? Let's begin. I typically wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. When my alarm rings, I turn it off. Even though sometimes I want to sleep longer, I know I have to get up. I pause for a minute, sitting on my bed and stretching my arms. Then I stand up and head straight to the bathroom. In the bathroom, I brush my teeth and wash my face with cold water, which helps me wake up properly. I smile at myself in the mirror. If I have enough time, I will take a shower. Next, I go to the kitchen to prepare my breakfast. I usually eat toast with butter and eggs, but sometimes I opt for cereal or fruit. I always have a hot cup of tea. I prefer green tea in the morning because it helps me feel calm and ready for the day ahead. While I eat, I either listen to music or check my phone to read messages or look up the day's weather. After breakfast, I return to my room to choose my clothes. I generally wear simple outfits like jeans and a shirt, adding a sweater if the weather is cold. I then brush my hair and get ready. Before leaving, I check my bag to make sure I have my phone, keys, and wallet. Finally, I put on my shoes and step out to start my day. After leaving the house, I walk to the bus stop, which is only about a 5-minute walk from home. I see other people there waiting, all heading to work or school. I usually take the bus to work. The ride takes about 20 minutes. The bus can sometimes be crowded, but I typically manage to find a seat. I like to sit by the window and watch the city, sometimes listening to music or a podcast or just taking the time to relax. When I arrive at work, I greet the security guard and take the elevator up to the third floor where my office is located. I start work at 9 a.m. I work in a small office with great colleagues. I sit down at my desk, turn on my computer, and first check my emails, followed by my schedule for the day. My job is quite busy, but I enjoy it. I spend my time writing reports, sending emails, and communicating with clients. I also attend short meetings with my coworkers. We always collaborate and help each other out. I work for a few hours in the morning, and then at 12:30 p.m., I take my lunch break. I go to the kitchen or the break room. I usually bring food from home, such as sandwiches, fruit, or rice with vegetables, though sometimes I buy a small salad or sandwich outside. I eat lunch with my coworkers, and we chat about things like the weather, movies, or our weekend plans. It's a nice time to relax and laugh a little. After lunch, I feel refreshed and focused. I drink some water or tea, then return to my desk to continue my tasks. I usually finish work at 5 o'clock in the evening. I turn off my computer, pack my bag, and say goodbye to everyone. I feel tired but satisfied that I completed my tasks. I take the elevator down and leave the building. The city seems a bit quieter on my walk back to the bus stop. The ride home also takes about 20 minutes. On the bus, I often look out and reflect on my day, listen to music, or just close my eyes to rest. Once I get home, I take off my shoes and hang my bag by the door. I change into comfortable clothes, usually sweatpants and a soft hoodie, which instantly helps me feel more relaxed. I go to the living room and sit on the sofa to rest for about 10 or 15 minutes. I stretch my legs, take a deep breath, and appreciate the quiet. Sometimes I watch a short show or read a book, but if I'm very tired, I just enjoy the silence. Around 7 p.m., I go to the kitchen to prepare dinner. I typically cook something simple like pasta with sauce, rice and vegetables, or a salad with bread. I enjoy playing soft music while cooking. It helps me feel calm. When dinner is ready, I sit at the table and eat slowly, making an effort to enjoy the food and the moment without looking at my phone. Afterward, I wash the dishes and clean the kitchen, as keeping things tidy helps me relax. I then have some free time. I might watch a movie or a series, call a friend, or talk with my family. Other times, I write in my journal or simply listen to music. My evenings are quiet and uncomplicated. I value having time to myself to rest, think, and enjoy the small joys after a long day. Around 9:30 or 10 p.m., I start getting ready for bed. I go to the bathroom, brush my teeth carefully, and wash my face with warm water. Sometimes I apply a little face cream to keep my skin soft. Next, I change into my soft, warm pajamas, light blue pants, and a cozy t-shirt. I always fold my clothes from the day and put them away to keep my room tidy, which helps me sleep better. I turn off the bright overhead lights and switch on a small bedside lamp. I close the curtains and open the window slightly if the air is fresh. My room becomes peaceful and quiet, a time I love. I sit on my bed and read a few pages from a book, whether it's a story or something educational. Reading helps my mind slow down. After reading, I think about my day, asking myself, what did I do well? Did anything make me happy? What can I improve tomorrow? This quiet reflection makes me feel calm. Around 10:30 p.m., I turn off the lamp. The room is dark and tranquil. I lie down, pull the blanket over me, and close my eyes, taking a deep breath. I feel thankful for the day, knowing that even if it wasn't perfect, tomorrow brings a new opportunity. I smile and quietly say, "Good night, Sophia," and then I drift off to sleep.